More time at home together means we have more time to cook together. What I love about this fruit kebab recipe and dip is that it can be made with foods that you have in your refrigerator and pantry. For this recipe, you will need 1/4 cup non-fat vanilla or plain yogurt. I prefer to use plain Greek yogurt because I like the thicker consistency for dipping. We'll also need 2 tablespoons of 100% orange juice, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, a mix of canned or fresh fruits depending on what you have on hand, and finally skewers. Depending on your child's age, you may want to avoid sharp skewers. Alternatives include straws and coffee stirrers. Let's start by making the dip. Mix together orange juice, yogurt, and cinnamon and stir until combined. Taste the dip and make adjustments based on your preferences. I personally like to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla since I use plain yogurt. Next, prepare your fruit. Start by washing produce. Soft fruits like bananas and strawberries are great to use with youth practicing knife skills. I prefer to have them use a lettuce knife because the blade's not sharp, but it's shaped similarly to a chef's knife and helps in learning how to hold a knife safely. Another option is to remove strawberry caps using a straw. This is an easy way to enjoy local Lee County strawberries. Once all the fruit is prepped and chopped into bite-sized pieces, it is ready to add to the skewer. Try making patterns or a rainbow with the fruit. Once complete, enjoy these tasty treats as a snack or as a side with your meal. Visit the website linked below for the complete recipe and other resources.